Hello friends, continue with the C++ programming language. Today we will cover these many topics. Structure of C++ program. Then we will see a simple program.
We have structure of C++ program. First of all, we have document section, then link section, then global declaration section, then class declaration section, then member function declaration, and at last main function declaration. In a document section, we can write definition of a program using single line or multi-line command. In a link section, we have to write header files. In a global declaration section, we have to write variables which can access the whole program. In a class declaration section, we can write class. In a member function declaration, functions which are a part of class can be written. In a main function declaration, we have to write main function, which is known as the body of the program.
Here we have a simple program to print hello on a screen. For that, we have to write #include iostream.h, then void main, functional brackets, then opening and closing brackets. In between opening and closing brackets, we had written cout less than double quotes, hello, double quotes and semicolon. Now we will see the meaning of each and every word of the program. First, #include is known as preprocessor directive. Then iostream.h, that is input output stream, and .h means it's a header file. Here void is a return type. Next, main function. This is a function where a program execution will start. Next, opening and closing curly brackets. Next, cout, standard output or console output, to print something on a screen. Here less than is known as insertion operator or output operator. Into double quotes, we have written one string, numbers of characters. At last, semicolon. It's known as end of the statement. Into this video, we have seen structure of C++ program and one simple program. Into the next video, we will see the demonstration of a program and its process.